back to my channel. I am super excited to have you back. This particular video is all about skincare, or I guess you can say men's beauty secrets. For me, as you guys can tell, I am bald, at least not at this current moment, but I am bald. So one of the things that I have to always do is to keep my hair cut. Unfortunately, during the pandemic, it has been super hard booking appointments. And whenever I do book appointments, I always have, I guess you can say I always have new growth within the next 3 days. So it's very hard for me to run to the barbershop. I think a lot of people think that when you're bald, you have a bigger advantage, but you actually don't. Like, you tend to actually have to cut your hair a little bit more than most people. But today, I have the trick for us fellas who are bald, who are just tired of running to the barbershop. I mean, if you're anything like me, you can easily suffer from ingrown hairs, razor bumps, and all of those things that from electric shavers. I gotta tell you guys before jumping into this video that one of the things that I always struggled with was that I always would break out from any type of electric shaver, whether it was Andes, which I thought was really great, electric shaver, whether it was Andes, whether it was a hand blade, anything that like it was a blade that just wasn't just lining my beard here, it always broke me out. Until one day I had visit a barber here in Atlanta. My barber used his spray one day. And I love the fact that how it made the ingrown hair stand up, or just made the fine hair stand up and gave her a very closer shade. And I absolutely loved it until I decided to start buying the product myself. I ended up researching it, found it. It's $10 a can, and guys, I promise you, it is by far the best product. So without further ado, I'm going to literally open this box for you guys and show you exactly how it looks, how it's packaged, and we're going to cut this bald head of mine. You ready? Let's do it. We'll wait for this package to arrive. It came quite quick to me. So if you're one of those people who are like always in a hurry for a package to come in, you don't have to really wait for this, which is a good thing because who wants to wait when they need to cut their hair? But it comes completely, it comes completely packaged, and voila.
Guys, this amazing product is Black Solutions Taper Spray. It is phenomenal, and I'm going to show you exactly what I mean by it.
Marketing booklet that pretty much goes into detail of all their other products and other offers that they may have within their company. So if you're into supporting Black businesses and you want a really good product, which I can't wait to show you guys how I come out the can, Black Solutions is absolutely hitting it on the target each time. So I love it. So guys, so what I always do is try to make sure that I have a clean head. I haven't cut my hair, as you can tell. I haven't cut it in some days now, so that's why it's very shady in different areas, and that's why it's not a very consistent bald look. But one thing I always do when I'm actually using my fancy products, I also use it on my head as well, so that when I do cut my hair, it's a nice even skin tone, nice complexion, and everything just look nice and healthy. So let's go ahead and start cutting the hair. So I always like to have my clippers. I know a lot of people are also wondering what clippers I use. I use these little, don't make me lie, I know they're made by Wall. The company is Wall. And this has happened to be one of my favorite pair of clips. I have used pairs of clippers. I have used the gray Andes. I have used I told you the electric shaver by Andes. Nothing has really done the job with such a great close clip cut as these particular Walls have done. So I recommend these. These two together has been my lifesaver. And guys, before I start, I do want to shout out Amazon for these amazing under the eye masks. The reason why I'm wearing, because in my previous video that I did on skincare and beauty with Fenty Skin, I got a feedback that the video was really good, but I looked like I was a little tired and then I needed some rest. So I took your advice and got some under the eye masks. I hope they work. I haven't been using them as consistent as the Fenty Beauty, but if they work out, I'll let you guys know. And guys, it wasn't anybody on YouTube, it was actually my brother, so we'd like to thank him for his honest feedback on me getting rest. So hopefully these eye masks work. Okay, whatever. So let's really jump into the reason why you're here. It is for the Black Solutions Taper Spray. Guys, I just want to let you know that I've already cleaned my head. It's already washed. It's already ready for this ready for this cut. So I've already got my clippers, got my spray. So the first thing I like to do is just apply an even amount all over my head. And as you see, it comes out like a powder. So I literally just spray it on my head as if it's oil sheen, no lie. And then I let it sit. It's a full transformation. So after letting it sit for a little while, the main reason why I like to let it sit because I feel like it's just kind of lock onto those hair follicles, giving it a nice precision when it cuts. Getting all those little hairs for me that I feel like are stubborn. My hair grows back super fast, as I told you guys, so it's really hard for me to stay on top of it. But with this product, it's easy for me to just spray really quick in the morning before work, do a quick little run through over my head, and it's back smooth again. Most importantly, guys, make sure you're moisturizing your head after you cut it. That was one of the things that I had to learn. Also, was that really treat your head as if you had hair on it, and that was consistent. That also means washing it, keeping it moisturized, keeping it clean, and just not allowing all that bacteria and dirt to build up on your scalp and on your head. I actually think this is completely done drying. So what I like to do is just go ahead and start cutting. Cutting my hair, I love to always follow with a hot towel, just to go ahead and get those pores open, get all that bacteria and dirt out. And guys, that's literally the entire process of cutting my hair with counts. I hope to see you guys next week. I think next week I may cover this black hair remover. I don't have black hairs, but I heard it's really great for the skin. So guys, tune into next week or whenever, because you never know what I may have. You never know what's new coming to the channel, so be sure to subscribe. Guys, most importantly, do not forget the notification bell to be notified for all uploaded content, new and old. Guys, thank you so much for joining me today. I am super glad to have you. I hope there was something you can learn. For all my brothers out there, don't forget this is a black business, so be sure to support, show your love, and guys, I cannot wait to have you next week. Take care.